Hello friends, let's talk about some updates with the brain organoids. Yes, the tiny human brains that we can grow in a jar. First off, the reason that I didn't cover this, a group that claimed that they put a brain organoid in a robot, this was not real. There are, however, brain organoids that have been popped in robots. You can find that information at UC San Diego with Allison Murtry's lab. And of course, don't get me wrong, I've talked to Allison several times now. He seems like an amazing person, but I do get the idea that he's trying to be a mad scientist. Brain in a jar, formerly just a philosophical puzzle, is now a reality. One thing people ask me a lot is, do the brain organoids sleep? That's a difficult question to answer. They do have complex wavelengths that seem to rise and fall, but it seems they're already in an eternal sleep. They experience delta brainwaves, which are similar to that of a premature baby's or an adult's when they're sleeping. But during this stage, they can still learn and process new information and recall it. One of the larger problems with them is figuring out what they're thinking, and many scientists are making more refined ways to communicate with their electrical signals. Many scientists are also trying to answer the question of what will it look like when they reach consciousness, and nobody believes they're conscious yet. That is, yet. Most people acknowledge the symbolic value of taking something that is from us and creating the most intimate part of our body, our brains, recreating them in a way that can be used in robotic slavery. Many scientists have the perspective that if we focus specifically on the point at which we reach consciousness, we're going to forget a lot of the other cultural aspects of utilizing our brains in this manner. If we only wait for consciousness, are we going to be creating suffering in a creature that we don't understand how to communicate with?